Hello and welcome to iNurture videos. In this video, we will discuss the vertical lookup function. After completing this video, the students will be able to define VLOOKUP, explain VLOOKUP using an example. Vertical lookup function is abbreviated as VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP can be used to look up specific information located in a table of data or database. To import data from one spreadsheet to another, for comparison purposes, VLOOKUP can be used. The VLOOKUP function looks up the value in the first column of the lookup table and returns the corresponding value in a specified table column. In this case, the lookup table is arranged vertically. Syntax. Step-by-step example. Let us consider the result sheet of a class of 10 students. One spreadsheet contains the student details and the second contains their marks. Our task is to enter the total marks against the student names in the student details spreadsheet from the marks spreadsheet. First, click on the cell where the VLOOKUP formula needs to be calculated. Second, click on the Formulas tab on the top of the screen, click Lookup and Reference on the ribbon column and click VLOOKUP at the bottom of the drop-down menu. Third, Function Arguments dialog appears. Fourth, the arguments are to be filled in the Functions Arguments dialog box. Lookup value. Specify the cell name which has the value whose data you are looking for. This column is to be sorted A to Z. Table array. Specify the data which you want VLOOKUP to use for its search. In our example, data is selected from column B to column F from marks spreadsheet. Call index num. Specify the column number which VLOOKUP will use to find relevant data. In our example, the column number would be 5, that is, the count from B to F. Range lookup. Specify false or 0 if you require the exact match, or true or 1 if you require the approximate match. In our example, we require exact match, so false will be entered. Fifth, click on OK of the Functions Arguments dialog box after filling the data. The result would appear on the cell selected. Let us summarize. Vertical lookup function is abbreviated as VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP can be used to look up specific information located in a table of data or database. Thank you for watching.